Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, tinted glass, cloth seat trim, low tire pressure warning, compass. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.